Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Analysis Hub. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2027 Toyota Nomad Camper, a compact adventure vehicle that is generating plenty of excitement among camping enthusiasts and road trip lovers. In this video, I'll share my personal analysis and opinion about this camper, covering its exterior styling, interior comfort, performance capabilities, and estimated pricing. This review is based on industry trends, automotive knowledge, and comparisons with similar campers currently available in the market. At first glance, the 2027 Toyota Nomad Camper presents a modern and adventurous appearance that perfectly matches its purpose. Toyota has designed this camper with a rugged yet practical look that feels equally at home in urban environments and remote camping destinations. The front section features a bold grille design, sleek LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic profile than many traditional camper vans. The overall shape balances efficiency with functionality, helping improve fuel economy while maintaining enough space for comfortable travel. Moving along the sides, the Nomad Camper showcases strong body lines, protective cladding, and stylish alloy wheels that enhance its adventurous character. Large side windows not only improve visibility, but also allow natural light to enter the cabin, creating a more open atmosphere inside. Roof-mounted accessories, including storage systems and optional solar panels, further reinforce its capability as a long-distance travel companion. The rear section has been carefully designed with practicality in mind. Wide-opening rear doors provide easy access to the living area, while integrated storage compartments offer convenient space for camping gear, tools, and outdoor equipment. The LED taillights give the camper a modern touch, and the overall rear design remains clean and functional. Stepping inside the 2027 Toyota Nomad Camper reveals one of its most impressive aspects. Toyota appears to have focused heavily on maximizing available space without sacrificing comfort. Despite its relatively compact dimensions, the interior feels surprisingly roomy and well-organized. The dashboard features a modern layout inspired by Toyota's latest passenger vehicles. Drivers can expect a large infotainment display, digital instrumentation, smartphone connectivity, navigation features, and multiple USB charging ports. The controls are positioned conveniently, making daily operation simple and intuitive. The seating area is designed to serve multiple purposes throughout the day. During travel, occupants can enjoy comfortable seating with supportive cushions and high-quality upholstery materials. Once parked, the seating arrangement can be transformed into a dining area or social space where travelers can relax after a long journey. One of the highlights of the Nomad Camper is its convertible sleeping area. Toyota has utilized smart engineering solutions to create a bed setup that can comfortably accommodate two adults. The mattress design prioritizes comfort, while still allowing efficient use of interior space. Storage compartments beneath the bed provide additional room for luggage, clothing, and camping supplies. The compact kitchen area is another major attraction. Although smaller than what you might find in larger motorhomes, it includes many essentials required for extended trips. Buyers can expect a small refrigerator, a cooking surface, a sink, and practical storage cabinets. These features allow travelers to prepare meals without relying entirely on restaurants or campsite facilities. The interior also benefits from improved insulation, helping maintain a comfortable temperature in various weather conditions. Large windows and optional roof vents contribute to better airflow, ensuring the cabin remains fresh and pleasant during long adventures. Technology plays an important role in modern campers, and the 2027 Toyota Nomad Camper is expected to include several advanced features. Wireless smartphone integration, voice controls, advanced navigation systems, and smart energy management solutions may all be available depending on trim level. Some versions could even offer remote monitoring systems that allow owners to track battery status and other camper functions through a mobile application. When discussing performance, Toyota's reputation for reliability immediately becomes an advantage. While official specifications may vary depending on the final production model, industry expectations suggest that the Nomad Camper could utilize an efficient hybrid powertrain or a fuel-efficient gasoline engine designed for long-distance travel. The engine is expected to deliver a balanced combination of power and efficiency. Rather than focusing on outright performance, The Nomad Camper prioritizes smooth operation, dependable reliability, and economical fuel consumption. These characteristics are particularly important for travelers who plan to spend extended periods exploring new destinations. Highway driving should feel stable and comfortable thanks to Toyota's refined suspension tuning. The steering system is expected to provide confidence at higher speeds while remaining easy to maneuver in tight urban environments. This versatility makes the Nomad Camper suitable for both everyday driving and extended road trips. Another area where the camper may excel is ride comfort. Modern suspension technology helps absorb road imperfections, reducing fatigue during long journeys. Whether driving across highways, mountain roads, or countryside routes, occupants are likely to enjoy a smooth and controlled ride experience. Potential buyers interested in outdoor adventures will appreciate the possibility of all-wheel drive availability. Such a system would improve traction on gravel roads, wet surfaces, and light off-road trails. While the Nomad Camper is not intended to be an extreme off-road vehicle, additional traction capability can significantly enhance confidence when exploring remote campsites. Fuel economy remains a critical consideration for camper buyers. If Toyota introduces a hybrid variant, it could become one of the most efficient campers in its category. Reduced fuel consumption translates directly into lower operating costs, making long-distance travel more affordable and environmentally friendly. Safety has always been a key strength of Toyota vehicles, and the Nomad Camper is expected to continue that tradition. Advanced driver assistance technologies may include adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and parking assistance systems. These features can make long journeys safer and less stressful for drivers. Storage solutions throughout the cabin demonstrate Toyota's attention to detail. Multiple compartments, overhead cabinets, hidden storage areas, and practical shelving systems help maximize usability. This thoughtful design allows travelers to keep their belongings organized without creating clutter inside the living space. Another appealing aspect is the camper's versatility. Unlike large motorhomes that can be difficult to drive and park, the Nomad Camper aims to combine everyday usability with genuine camping functionality. Owners could comfortably use it for daily commuting during the week and adventure travel on weekends. The exterior color options are expected to include a mix of traditional and adventure-inspired finishes. Buyers may be able to choose from neutral shades, metallic colors, and more distinctive options designed to emphasize the camper's adventurous personality. Customization possibilities could also play a major role in the Nomad Camper's appeal. Toyota may offer various packages, including upgraded solar systems, expanded storage solutions, outdoor awnings, enhanced kitchen equipment, and premium interior materials. These options would allow customers to tailor the camper according to their travel preferences and lifestyle requirements. Now let's discuss the estimated pricing. Although official figures may not yet be confirmed, industry analysts expect the 2027 Toyota Nomad Camper to start somewhere between $45,000 and $60,000 for base configurations. Higher-end trims equipped with additional camping equipment, advanced technology features, and premium materials could reach $70,000 or more depending on selected options. When compared with many larger motorhomes and premium camper vans, this pricing could position the Nomad Camper as a compelling value proposition. Buyers would receive Toyota's renowned reliability, modern technology, practical camper functionality, and potentially excellent fuel efficiency in a relatively affordable package. Overall, the 2027 Toyota Nomad Camper appears to be an exciting addition to the growing camper market. It combines modern styling, efficient packaging, comfortable living accommodations, practical technology, and Toyota's strong reputation for dependability. For travelers seeking a versatile vehicle capable of handling daily life as well as weekend adventures, this camper could represent an attractive option. As always, these impressions are based on available information, industry expectations, and automotive analysis. Official specifications, features, and pricing may vary when Toyota reveals the final production model. Nevertheless, the Nomad Camper already shows significant promise and could become one of the most interesting compact campers of the 2027 model year. Thank you for watching Auto Analysis Hub. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, And turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive reviews, camper showcases, and future vehicle updates. Let me know in the comments whether you would choose the 2027 Toyota Nomad Camper for your next adventure. And I'll see you in the next video.